Now, News 13 Skywarn weather.
Nothing has really changed from yesterday. It still looks like we will see a stretch of quiet weather. Overnight lows on the chilly side with highs in the afternoon climbing up into the low 60s. So a fairly mild afternoon for us. Even in Farmington, 30 degrees overnight tonight with clear skies. And tomorrow's highs looking like we'll climb into the mid-60s here as well with plenty of sunshine. Definitely going to be a mild day for us in the coming days. The overnights on the chilly side. We've got a front that will dive on into the east overnight tonight. That will push in just some light breezes in the Rio Grande Valley. For us, though, it's not really going to be a huge impact for us. As a matter of fact, we're going to stay on the mild side into tomorrow. So 60s off towards the north right now. We've got 70s down towards the south. A very mild day. We'll probably even pop a few 80s tomorrow down south and maybe a few extra 70s off towards the north. Wind speeds 5 to 15 right now across the board, fairly light as far as the gusts go. You can see nothing to worry about there. This big ridge of high pressure is going to keep us on the quiet side. And it looks like for the time being, as this ridge of high pressure persists for us. Matter of fact, because of it, we will end up with some pretty warm days ahead, considering the time of year that we are in, with occasional fronts moving into the northeastern plains. Meanwhile, what's going to kick out this high is going to be another storm system potentially towards the weekend that will kick the high off towards the east. We're counting on that. Originally kind of looked like it wasn't going to do a whole lot for us, but it definitely looks like right now that that is a definite possibility as it kicks on out of here and will bring us another bout of winds and potentially some more showers and storms. And we do need some showers. We are drier than average. Matter of fact, we are in quite the deficit here in the Four Corners, almost 3.5 inches. Elsewhere, it's a little worse off, I guess, if you will, looking at the numbers. But when you throw out the precipitation or the percentages, totally kind of puts things in perspective for you. 50% of average. So when you look at that, we are probably worse off than other parts of the state. Check out Albuquerque, 77% of average, and even Raton at 75%. Temperatures up to our north, 40 in Denver, 60s in Albuquerque, 70s in Los Angeles, 80s in San Francisco. Looks like tomorrow's highs, much like today, 60s to the north, 70s to our south, and we'll see even a few 80s in Southern California. Closer to home now, tonight we drop in the 20s to near 30 degrees. Highs tomorrow, 60s to near 70s around Grants and Gallup. The 7-day forecast will include plenty of sunshine the next couple of afternoons as highs climb into the low to mid 60s. Overnight lows in the 20s for us. We could see a spot shower or two towards the end of the weekend, the beginning of next week. Of course, as that high pressure ridge breaks down, that's a definite possibility. And depending how far south that dives anyway, we could see a better chance for showers. In the meantime, though, highs will remain in the mid to upper 60s, even in Farmington, with plenty of sunshine towards the end of the week and into the weekend. However, the latter half of the weekend could be a little bit more interesting for us, again, as that storm system works its way off into California and dives in towards New Mexico. One thing's for sure, count on the winds if this does happen. We will get those temperatures cooling off of the overnights to see some higher elevation snow showers, but probably more or less going to be a wintry mix for us here in Farmington.